Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change wallpaper on Android. Alright, so whether you want a new home screen background or a lock screen makeover or a live wallpaper that moves, I'm just going to get it covered. I'm going to show you how to get that done. Now, for Samsung Galaxy devices, that's One UI 6.1 Plus. All you need to do is to head over to the home screen, long press on an empty area of your home screen, that's your Samsung device, then tap wallpaper and style. I'm using a Nokia 10.4, so this is not a Samsung. It means the settings and navigation settings may vary. Now, once you do wallpaper and style, you can choose either my wallpapers, that's for Samsung built-in options. You can choose gallery to use your own photo, or you can use wallpaper services for dynamic or rotating wallpapers. Now tap the wallpaper that you want, choose where to apply it, either home screen, lock screen, or both. Then tap set on home screen or set as lock screen to confirm. Samsung gives you the power to make your screen pop with a fresh wallpaper, whether it's a selfie, scenic view, or a dynamic motion background. Now for Nokia 2.4, which is like mine, Nokia phones, just go ahead and long press the home screen, select wallpaper and style. Then you can choose wallpaper colors or basic colors. That's for you to change the colors. Or you can just go ahead and click on change wallpaper, and then from change wallpaper here you can select my photos from your gallery, a one device wallpaper, cityscapes, live textures, landscape art, wallpapers. We have more wallpapers here as well. So once you've selected any of the wallpapers, let's say I want to select this because I think it's cool, so choose whether you want it for home screen or lock screen and change it from there. Okay, so for Xiaomi devices, that's MIUI-OS, long press the home screen. Thank you, Gemini. Long press the home screen, then tap wallpapers, choose from my photos to pick your own image, dynamic wallpapers for moving backgrounds, or Xiaomi themes app for premium designs. Now tap the wallpaper you like, select whether to apply to the home screen, lock screen, or both, then tap apply. Xiaomi's wallpaper engine is packed with stunning visuals, from static emojis to fully animated lock screens. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.